Hi there. Now, what I want to do is give you some tips based on some of the inspiration I've been getting from some of my clients. Here we are in the middle of this coronavirus lockdown, but some people are doing terrifically well. Just yesterday, my hardware client told me about what he'd done using the tools that we'd given him on the academy, the telephone sales tools, the color zone tools, the yellow zone tools that are all there on the academy. He's using it. And one of the principles, and I'm going to go through 10 key points here that I've written down that I want to share with you on how to turn this downtime into uptime. First point is this. He says, guys, we're not just in the business of stacking shelves or doing what you normally do. I want everyone here to be selling. Everyone needs to be on the phone talking to existing customers, past customers, future target customers. Everyone gets on the phone and rings. We have target numbers and KPIs, so it's part of our job description. The world changes. Not only does everyone serve customers, everyone sells. Not only does everyone serve internally, we all sell. We're on the phone talking to customers, past customers, present customers. We want to radiate into the marketplace. He says, one, I want you calling customers and letting them know we're open for business, that we haven't shut down, that we're an essential service, and we're going to keep communicating. We're going to be keeping here. We're open for business. Let people know we're open for business. Two, then you're going to say, how can we help? What's going on in your business? In other words, you have a conversation asking questions, which again is what we teach on the academy. How can we help you? What's going on in your business? What's working? What's not working? How can we help you? How can we serve you? Now, one, you'll either get an answer of how you can help, or two, you're going to create a memory, a touch point in that customer or that person's mind. Wow, these guys rang me during the lockdown and said, how can we help? They'll remember that. You'll generate business as well. Another part of the conversation, did you know? Did you know we also do? Did you know we do home delivery? Did you know that we do drive-through? Did you know you can order online? Did you know we've just got a special package to help you? Did you know, did you know, did you know? What is it you need to let people know? That's point three. So everyone sells, open for business. How can we help? Did you know? Then script it. Because if you're going to make 10 calls or 15 calls or 20 calls, the first call and the 20th call will end up completely different if you don't have some kind of structure and script. So write down the script, and again, you can get access to that on the online academy as to, what that script should look like, not the least of which is the purpose for the call today is. This is just a brief call to let you know. This is a courtesy call to let you know. They're all powerful terms. Drill it. Get people doing some drills and warm-up drills, practicing on each other before they do it live with live paying customers. One, it warms up. Two, they get their patter and their routine and they get more comfortable with the call. And three, it means they're far more effective on the call. You don't burn a prospective client because you're still practicing. So drill it with people. Some of the objections. Look, I don't have time now. Of course you don't have time now. Now we're okay. Of course you're okay, but just letting you know. So practice what some of the key objections might be so that when the person is on the phone, they're more confident and more likely to either predict the objection, and because of their state often, because they actually are more confident, they don't even get the objection. You can prevent the objection by doing the drill and preparing for it. And if it does come up, you can handle it. Then get on the phone and do it. So I want you making 10 calls a day. I want you making 20 calls a day. I want you to give them a target number of how many calls per day you want them doing, then measure it. So each day you're measuring how many calls did we make today? How many calls did we make today? Did we achieve target calls today? So you can measure it, because what you measure, you manage. What you measure, you pay attention to. What you measure, you get better at. And finally, when you do it, celebrate. Great work today, guys. Great work. Because as one of my clients, oh Lee, I don't like getting on the phone and calling people. I much prefer they call me. That's true. But as someone else said, the person that makes 250 calls a day compared to the person that makes 5 calls a day, the 250 calls a day person, 1 is going to be speaking to more people, 2 is going to get better at phone calls, and 3 is going to generate more business. It is a contact sport. If you don't make contact, you don't play the game. So you've got to get on the phone and make the contact. Yes, you can safely do emails and safely do Facebook ads and all of those things, but the bottom line will be getting on that phone and making it happen. So let's go through that. Everyone sells, everyone serves. Everyone sells. 2, we're open for business, folks. 3, how can we help? How can we help? 4, did you know? Did you know we do this? Did you know we do that? Did we know you've developed this? Did you know we've now got drive-through? 5, scripted. Write it, practice it, so you've got a system to work to. Then you can improve it. Drill it and warm up before you do it. 7, objections. Practice those objections before you pick up that phone. 8, do it. Don't just think about it, do it. Do it. 9, measure it. Measure it. What you measure, you manage and pay attention to. And 10, celebrate. Celebrate. 11, watch your sales results go up. My client, my hardware client, had one of his best weeks ever. Broke last year. Unbelievable. Do the basics. Work the system and the system will work for you. Hope that helps. Get out, because everyone is in the business of selling right now. Go for it. By the way, click the link below. Do the first step. Get access to our online academy. We've got a whole range of special packages to help you, special deals going as well, to help you get new information, new skills into your business so that you can take performance to the next level. Come and join us on the academy, or click the link below and take the first step. Take advantage of our $899 coaching voucher to help you and your business in this time, because we're open for business, you're open for business. Let's keep the game going. Look forward to helping you. Click the link below now.